Another one. Just kidding. Any Americans here today? Oh, hello. Check your wallet. Hi. Are you here on a holiday or just learning the language? Oh, you have sense of humor, and this is what it's all about. It doesn't matter where you come from, what religion, what color. It's just one race, the human race. And then there's Germany. Now, Danny, how many balls on the table? Loud and clear. They're not on the table, they're on the cups. You owe me 50 pounds. It's only $2. Sir, have we met before? Can we meet later? I'm not gay. My boyfriend is. Every day comes. Sir, I'll speed up. Kids, don't blink. How many balls on the table? Quick. How many now? Still 3. Don't think much. Look, very, very simple. Ball number 1, remove it. Number 2, remove it. Number 3, I live in the center. Okay? Did you see this one coming back? I will show you what I do. Kids, I cheat. I pretend that I take the... I'll keep doing this until everyone finds it funny. Lower the sarcasm. They think it's here, but it's here. I roll under the cup. Everyone thinks the ball, give them the cup. Sir, if I win, put the ball in there. How many balls in the middle cup? Are you following this? If you get it right, you win 50 pounds. 50 pounds from this man. Look at the size of his family. Hey, get back. Where are you from? Croatia. Leave. You beat England out of the World Cup. I'm joking, man. Relax. Calm down, kid. Sir, how many? Quick. Would you bet money? Unlucky. Would have won. Try again. How many now? Come on. I just showed these 2. Don't be stupid. I love this guy. I take one away. Put it in the bag. How many? It's 2. It's always 2. If you say 2, you look. This time I show you. How many? Shut up, kid. How many? No, 3. I'll do it slow motion, sucker. Look. 3 balls in the bag. How? Shut up. How many? No, orange. Wait, no. If you like that, you're gonna love this. 3 balls now will disappear from under the hat. They will vanish from, oh my God, I'm scared of this hat. It flies. And it's really deep. It's from a really old magician from Covent Garden. Look, he told me it's like Narnia. Oh. You can't fool everyone. Unless you're Donald Trump. She's still smiling, okay. It's all jokes. 3 balls now will vanish from under that. Look, there's a drug deal happening there. Guy just arrived. You got it? All right. This man is on Tinder. 3 balls! They will disappear from under... Sorry? Get your own show. I love kids. You can't beat them. It's the law. I have 2 of my own, 5 and 7. Stupid names. Some of you have no sense of humor. This man has sense of humor. Otherwise, you wouldn't be wearing that. Now, if you clap with your hands in your pocket, you're gonna hurt yourself. My brother used to clap like that. Now he's my sister. All right, don't worry, the kids don't understand. If they do, it's your fault. 3 balls! I tap. Hey! The balls have vanished. Put your hand up if you believe. Put your... 2 kids in a drum. Put your hand up if you don't believe. Put your hand up if you don't like to put your hand up. Put your hand up if you speak English. It's the same people. Put your hand up if you don't speak English. If I didn't make the balls disappear, kids, how can I do this? Bring it back. Explain. No, we don't have time. London, your energy's perfect. We gotta do this. I don't care. Don't rush. Everybody together. Let's do this. Everyone, please clap, clap, clap. No, faster, faster. Okay. Everybody cheer. Yeah! Have everyone clapping cheer? It sounds like 50,000 people. 1, 2, 3, go. This side is amazing. Good here. Not too bad here. Tragedy over here. I know you're in the cheap seats, but please do something. Dad, I told you to stay in the car. Not you. Not you. Actually, just you. Clap and cheer now. Here. 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 It's not funny. What the hell is it? Ah! All right, here we go. Get back in the hat! Get back! Oh! There goes my finale. It's not funny. Oh my God, we gotta do this. Your energy is perfect. Can you see these people coming from there, from there, from there? They don't know what's happening. We're all gonna clap and cheer, make lots of noise. When they come to see why we're clapping, I'm not gonna be here. I'll hide in the crowd. Look at their faces when they come here. Everyone is going. Where are you from? Huh? I'm not from immigration. Where are you from? What? Oh, home. That's a new country. Right? He's back again. Jesus Christ. Don't look at me. Everyone look up there. Here we go. Hiding in the crowd. Did you see that guy? I'm falling for this man. Oh, he has nice boobies. Hey, what the hell is a joke? You didn't have to squeeze my bottom. I like your thumb technique. Hey, there's nothing there. Stop looking. Now, are you having fun? Yeah! Are you happy? Yeah! Will you give me lots of money? Yeah! I need a volunteer. A cute one. Oh my God, I don't know what. Stand up. Fight! Fight! What? This kid is from Liverpool. It's a joke. No, no, sit down! Run! Run! Hey! I'm from Hackney. See? Look at his face. Oh my God. I put a knife on a child. Welcome to London. Come here, I need to keep someone as a guarantee, boys. Get in the box. Just get inside the box. Get in there, it's funny. No, not you, sorry. I can't believe Mum and Daddy not coming to save the kids. Just take your photos. Hey kid, I make another one, innit, mate? No, you should never go into a magician's box, especially the magician look like a kebab shop owner. Look, I give you a prize. Do you like balloon animals? There you go, make it yourself. One for the husband as well. Don't put that in your mouth. Everybody clap for this kid. What a wonderful. Get out of here, Charlie Chaplin. Go away. Now, remember I said I was going to give you something amazing? Oh yeah, once you come here, I'm going to make that card disappear. Actually, that's yours. Kid, come here. Come here, I'm going to make this one disappear. Stand right here on the trap door. Just wave your hand on top of this card. It will disappear. Just wave your hand. Wave your hand. Keep waving. It takes 2 hours. These people have nothing better to do. Faster, really, really fast. The card will disappear. Silence! I'll kill you! Don't be a big piece of trouble. I still love kids. Excuse me, no bribing here. All right, you want to see the finale? I give it to you. No more talking. At the end of the show, be kind, come forward, put some money in there, it's only fair. I love what I do, I have a wife and 37 children. This is professional entertainment. Support it. Let's hope these kids will come here with their own families. Many years from now, there'll be a performer here, not a machine. 5, perfect. 10, I love you. 20, I come home with you. Just kidding. Please don't do that. Please, Jonathan, keep it clean. Please, one, be a lot of bigger. A professional. Come forward, it's just the top. I give it to you guys. No more talking. Watch. One ball under the hat. Kick. How many balls under the hat? What? How many now? What? Okay, you got it. But you shouldn't be looking here. But there. Why? Look. There's another one here. I told you I was good. Look.